Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam leak, and the title of the video is Deranged Woman Attacks a Restaurant Employee After She Doesn't Get Her Way. Let's get into it, man.
Watch when I get in them.
Ooh, almost clicked the wrong thing. Let's do it, man.
So I'm looking for my roommate, Kirsten Nidifer, class of 87.
On July 20th, 2024 in Florida, police responded to a report of a woman who allegedly assaulted an employee at a restaurant.
Put your bag down. Put your bag down.
No, I paid my bill. Okay, you coming in jail?
Put your bag down.
There we go.
Drop your glasses.
So I paid my bill.
Stop turning around on me.
Okay, what did I do wrong? What are you arresting me for?
You're not under arrest, you're detained.
Okay. Because I paid my bill, and they accused me of not paying my bill. I paid my bill, and he's been following me for blocks. So I went back there, and I was like, that's defamation of character. I was like, I'll take a rain check for that.
Okay.
And he has a big problem with that. He's been harassing me.
Here, I'm going to help you sit. Just sit here.
Nope. So, like I said, I paid my bill.
Okay.
And my answer to my paying my bill was to his staff to be like, you're a who doesn't pay her bills.
Okay.
Put your credit down, Jen.
Where was this at?
At the White Rabbit, where he's from.
Okay.
So the manager said he would give me a free beer for the trouble. And this is the free beer for the trouble. This is a free beer for the trouble. This is a free beer for the trouble.
Okay. So why you didn't pay?
This is a free beer. Now they gave me a rain check. So I came to take the rain check today, and he called the police.
Okay. Then why is he following you?
Because he's an idiot.
Okay. What happened in front of El Melvin or Classico?
I just said, I keep saying, stop following me. I can't make it any clearer. I'm just be quiet.
Okay.
Like I said, I paid for my beer yesterday. Right? I've never been to the, right.
What happened today? Yesterday.
So they said, yesterday.
Stop yelling at me.
So yesterday, the bartender that's there took my money, charged my card, and then poured me the beer. I said, do not pour me a beer until you charge my card.
Okay.
So he charged my card, poured my beer. Then he went off to do back work.
Are you hurt?
A female came up, and she said, you didn't pay for your beer. I was about to leave. And so I was like, that's not true.
Stand up.
And so the manager came.
Do you have anything in your pocket?
Yeah. The manager came and said, you get a rain check. Don't worry about it. And so then he doesn't like that. So he's like, oh.
What's going on?
So I got a beer last night.
Hold on. Before I ask you anything, let me just read you this, okay?
Don't worry about it. I'm all right.
That's fine. I have to read it to you anyway. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to
I bought a beer.
One per present with you before and during questioning. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you at no cost to you before and during questioning. If you wish, you can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights that I've explained to you?
Sir.
Okay, having these rights in mind, do you want to talk?
Yes, I do.
Sorry, buddy. I had to wait for him to get here.
Sorry.
What happened?
So, okay. Let me start from the fucking beginning.
Please.
Okay. So yesterday she came in, and apparently, we pre-authorized cards.
Okay.
So we pre-authorized her card. It wasn't.
This is yesterday.
This is yesterday. This started.
Got it.
So we pre-authorized her card. She paid her bill. There was no problem. She came in today causing she caused a ruckus yesterday, saying she wasn't paying her bill. Blah blah blah. Today she came in, causing a huge scene, yelling, making a big ruckus at the bar. I asked her to calm down nicely.
How long ago was that? A few minutes ago?
This was just not long ago,
okay,
maybe.
Just make sure.
Yeah. I asked her nicely to leave. She caused a huge scene. She got in the elevator, didn't go anywhere, came back out. I asked her nicely to get in. I rode the elevator down with her. I stayed my distance, and when we walked out of the elevator, she hit me right in the face.
And just to be clear, you rode the elevator because you wanted her
out of the property.
Out of the restaurant?
Out of the restaurant, correct. And then as I stepped out of the elevator, she turned and...
Whoa, she wailed on him? Now that's crazy. You going to jail. We passed the bill at this point. You wailed on him? That's crazy. That's absolutely insane. That's the thing that I be saying, man. Women shouldn't be putting their hands on men. Men shouldn't be putting their hands on women. We got to keep our hands to ourselves. We learned this in school when we like little kids, you know what I mean? Like kindergarten type stuff. Like even before that, you know what I'm saying? Your parent, you might hit your parents or whatever when you're a little kid. Keep your hands to yourself now. You know? Crazy, but yeah, she definitely going to jail.
Right in the face. Right in here in the face. I mean, I doubt there's going to be a mark, but she definitely hit me and then pushed me away.
Any witnesses there?
There was a couple right outside out there, but I mean.
Okay. Do you want to pursue charges for hitting you?
I mean, I know it's going to be a lot for me I'd have to go like court and shit like that. You know, I just.
So it's up to you. I mean, it's not right for some.
Listen, if you don't, you know that question is coming. If you don't want to press charges, don't bring it up. Because there ain't nothing they gonna do. She wailed on you, and now you turn around, oh, well, I really don't want to press charge. You know, come on. Why would you even bring it up? You could say your whole other story, whatever else she did, without bringing that up. So you might want to press charges, my boy.
Just to hit somebody.
It's not. I don't.
Causing an issue. So, hey, but it's up to you. Either way. Either way, I need your ID.
Yeah. That's shit. I actually don't have it. It's up in the restaurant. I'll go grab it.
That's fine.
Yeah, I'll go grab it. Yeah, I'm gonna go up the back alley.
All right.
I keep my beer legit.
Is your ID in here?
Yeah.
Which bag? Which bag?
Okay.
Karen, which bag?
The
Right here?
coach. Yeah. Yeah, right there. I hit you?
No, I didn't. But now I know.
I paid with that one.
Is that one it?
Yep,
Is that your ID?
that's my card that I paid with.
That's fine. I just want to get your ID. I'll leave the rest of it.
No, and so I paid with that card. Okay. I made the guy run it through before I go, just to make sure that it's working.
Okay.
So they're like, oh no, it's
Where are you staying at, Karen?
No, they keep saying it's pre-authorized. Oh, it was pre-authorized. And like, no. I made sure that I paid, signed, delivered before you accused me of a diner dash.
Nobody accused you of that.
No, they did.
To us, they didn't tell us that. So.
That's why I'm back for.
Well, they didn't.
No, they're so guilty they gave me a free one.
Well, they didn't accuse you of any of
You
that.
hear that song, Pop? All right.
So, did she slap you or punch you?
She punched me.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Was it in the chest, the face?
Face.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right hand, left hand?
The sides, the right hand. Yeah.
Okay. And was that like in the restaurant or was that on the street?
It was on the sidewalk as I stepped out of the elevator.
Yeah.
It was just bam right there.
Okay.
And then she shoved me.
Okay. All right. Are there cameras over there that would capture any of that?
I'm not sure. Not ours. Okay. Right outside. I know there's a couple people outside. I don't know if the creamery has one or not.
Okay.
Right there, but
okay.
yeah,
We'll check.
That's just like, come on, just trying to do my job.
You want to do any sort of charges?
I mean, I'm tired of people stepping on me, so yeah, honestly.
We got to figure it out.
We don't have video out there. It's just
Damn, my boy probably been getting bullied his whole life, man. Getting beat on all crazy his whole life. He said, I'm tired. He said, I'm tired of being a punching bag, man. One of y'all gonna get it, man. Hey, these the ones you gotta watch out for. One of y'all gonna get it, boy. Y'all keep messing with that man. He almost there, boy. He gonna walk in one day. You gonna be at the wrong place, wrong time, boy. I'm trying to tell you, man. God damn.
Saying maybe the creamery might have the angle.
Why don't you go check?
236 units on Main Street, 1074.
We're 10.
I'll check the creamery and of course.
What happened in front of the elevator right there?
right in front of the elevator, yeah.
Rabbit owner?
Yeah.
All right, I'll be right back. All right, cool.
He said if you...
Well, you were making fun of me, so and
Hey,
the elevator wasn't moving.
Relax.
So since you know me and my last name, Karen Burnap, and you know about my children,
So he's the one to watch the video.
sure. Because I got in his face, he wouldn't let me alone.
Yeah?
I didn't touch him. No. The worst thing I would do was spit, and I didn't spit, I swear. I yelled. I was like, leave me alone. I'm scared. No, I'm a woman being followed by a guy. Do I not get any credence from that? That's okay? It's okay for him to follow a girl down the sidewalk like a Ryan.
Punch
didn't. Oh my God. You saying I punched him in the face? Where's your black eye?
Why don't you chill over here before you catch another charge?
I punched him in the face. That's what you say? Oh, that's good. Oh yeah. I would love to smile.
What?
I hit him. That's what you said. I didn't.
Got a few people called in and said that to us.
Well, I'm a liar, but yes, I hit him. I mean, I know though, but I hit you. I hit you? Where?
Stop.
Where hit you? Anyone. They just gave me a free beer. Why would I hit anybody? For a free beer? Well, this doesn't make any sense.
I'm trying to figure it out.
Well, he just apparently didn't like that I got a free beer.
How long have you been out on Main Street then?
I'm a scooter instructor, so I'm from Telluride and I'm just rehabbing. Is that a problem?
I'm just asking how long you've been out on Main Street.
Oh, today? Oh, I just came from the beach. So I went to Madison's and hung out at Madison's. I went to Whole Foods. Got some, the seafood department gives me free ice for my legs. See, they're a little swollen. So I'm rehabbing, that's good. The lymph is going to my feet, I'm rebuilding blood. So, no, I swam at the Lido, like the first one, where you have the walkway, like not the second one, the seashell, and not the pavilion, the first one, where there's wood. I don't know what you call it. What? North Lido. Okay. So, I did my exercise there.
Came downtown. What time did you come downtown?
What time is it now?
What time do you think it is?
It was 4, so I came down about 3:30, 4. So yeah, so I went to Madison's, hung out. We thought it was gonna rain. So I was just saying, like, I don't know if I'm wrong. And then, like I said, these guys owed me a rain check because they accused me of dining and dashing. I'm sorry, I went to Harvard. Excuse me. I'm sorry. My bad. You can't do that. I paid my credit card. You can't just walk up to me and say all this shit. I have rights.
There's no violation of your rights. People can say whatever they
No,
want.
well, I'm sorry, but I mean, well, she's gonna call me a and say I didn't pay for my drink at the bar in the establishment. I thought management might want to worry about that. And they did. They apologized. They said come back for a rain check, and then he caused this.
It's not even
Yeah, defamation is civilly, it's no, you're talking about the criminal lawsuit. But civilly, I can sue them for defamation. Civilly. You clear on that?
Yes, I'm not.
Okay. So, well, you seem like it. Too much hair gel?
Oh boy. Okay. Anyway. So yeah, you can.
So civilly, they violated my rights. Does that work with you? Because I mean, if your mother was in there paying for a drink, would it be okay that if a waitress came after your mother and said you didn't pay for that? Well, no, defamation.
It's a civil lawsuit.
That's right. I have a civil lawsuit with them, which we settled by them giving me a drink, which is not settled because he followed me down 2 blocks.
They settled the lawsuit by giving you a free drink? Listen, it's like knock knock, who's there? Nobody. Her eyes is here, but ain't nobody home, boy. She is in her own world, I'm telling you.
So I went to Harvard.
You keep saying that. Like, how is that relevant to this guy?
I don't know. I would have no idea, Axon. I mean, you act like I wouldn't know. It's all just on the down low, is it? I mean, you're wearing mirrored sunglasses. Let me see your eyes. Take your sunglasses off. Thank you. Because Laura's Harvard, you're you're not supposed to have them on when you're detaining someone. No, actually, I will just retain the law.
It's not a law violation, by any means.
It's a work violation.
That's all. Our policy does not indicate that.
Oh, that's good to know. We'll change that.
Feel free. Consider that.
So what year did you graduate Sarasota?
Sarasota what?
High school.
Did you go to Sarasota?
Where'd you go? Where?
Booker High.
Where?
Booker High.
What high school is that?
Booker High School?
Where?
Sarasota.
So, oh, okay. So I'm looking for my roommate, Kirsten Nidifer, class of '87. Do you know where she is? Do you know where she is? Because my children were brutally. Do you know? So you went to Poker High School? Oh, this is what it's all about.
Because clearly you don't know how to calm down.
I do, but you're gonna lie. Oh, you're shaking. You're shaking. You're shaking. I will.
Have a seat in the car. Come on, step out.
Away from that creep.
Stop.
I deserve that, don't I? It's Jackie Kennedy's daughter.
Like 3 times.
All right, that's another charge, thanks.
You're civilly being charged? Or am I criminally being charged?
Criminally.
For what? What am I criminally being charged for? Assault?
Right now, it's simple battery, disorderly intox, and resisting without violence.
Do you have proof? Did I touch him? So I didn't touch him. So you're harassing a woman on the street. Let me know.
Or something else.
It's your career you're ruining.
It's not.
Oh, there it is.
It's not.
There it is. There it is.
Okay.
That's for the judges. There it is. He's ruining his career. Keep right in there. How about that? How about I'm naked in a pool?
Huh? Naked in a pool?
Do I get released today or no?
Huh?
Am I being released today or being booked?
You're gonna get booked, but you'll be able to bond out.
I have no money. I'm homeless.
Okay. That's something you're gonna have to figure out.
No, it sounds like that's the route you want us to take, which, guess what? We're not in the business of doing what you want. Okay. So,
What did I do wrong other than yelling at his phone saying, why are you following me? So a man can follow me down the street?
Relax.
No, I want to know. What did I do wrong?
So I'm going
Because
to
I've
explain
never
that.
assaulted a man in my life. But they can assault me and you can put me in prison for it? No, why are you assaulting me?
Can you put your back against your friend?
No, why are you letting him assault me?
So here are your charges. You said you don't understand your charges, right? Would you like to know them?
Yeah, let me know. I want to charge him. You're a police officer. Where I want to charge him with assault.
He didn't assault you.
Oh, you said I hit him, right? So he got close enough for me to hit him, but he's calling the police on the phone, threatening to call the police, threatening me, following me for 3 blocks, and he didn't assault me. I want all of them.
All of them? Like all of them stuff.
Yeah, I want all of my stuff with me.
Right now.
Well, that's not going to
You have
happen.
a wallet on the phones, maybe.
Yes, please.
You want both phones that
Yes.
don't work?
Perfect. So those will come with you. All right, so your charges today are simple battery,
Oh, I battered him.
disorderly intoxication,
Oh, really? Because he had 1 drink.
and resisting without violence, okay?
I resisted?
So those are your 3 charges.
How did I resist?
I'm not your charging officer.
He's charging me with resisting without...
Without violence, yes ma'am.
Oh, wonderful.
Those are your 3 charges.
Okay, so what can I charge with him? Stalking me? How about stalking? Well, he stalked me for 5 blocks through an elevator.
So that's not stalking as far as the state goes.
Oh, it isn't? Because he seems to know who I am and my children. I mean, he did call... No, his restaurant did accuse me of not paying my bill.
Okay, that's fine.
That's why I went back, because the manager said, please come back, it's on us. And he came running out from the kitchen saying, F you. And here I am. See a judge.
You will see a judge, yes.
The woman was arrested and charged with battery, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest. If found guilty, what do you believe would be an appropriate sentence?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.